Did you know a hippo's jaw opens wide enough to fit a sports car inside? And it would take 19 minutes to fall from the North Pole to Earth's core. And 6 generations back, you have 64 great 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 grandparents. In a world as wide and wild as ours, things are bound to get a little weird, from the biggest extremes to the strangest comparisons. Here are 12 of the most unusual facts you'll learn today, all from F for Fantastic. In this video, we will share interesting facts about some weird and unusual things. So fasten up your seatbelts as we are about to get started. But before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Fact number 10. Calculations suggest that 136 billion sheets of A4 paper would be needed to print out the entire World Wide Web. If the printouts were piled up, the stack would be taller than the Earth. Fact number 9. Your nose gets warmer when you lie. When a person lies, they experience a Pinocchio effect, which is an increase in the temperature around the nose and in the orbital muscle in the inner corner of the eye. In addition, when we perform a considerable mental effort, our face temperature drops, and when we have an anxiety attack, our face temperature rises. Fact number 8. It's impossible to sneeze with your eyes open. Fact number 7. The most expensive book ever purchased was sold for $30.8 million. It was written by Leonardo da Vinci and was bought by Bill Gates. Fact number 6. Machu Picchu is an earthquake-proof city. Yes, the ancient Incan tower rests on top of two fault lines in Peru. That means earthquakes were expected events. So how did they live through it? In fact, the Incans created a brilliant engineering technique where rocks are cut to fit perfectly together without mortar. This allowed the stones to move in its place during an earthquake before settling back in their original positions. Isn't it genius? Fact number 5. Now this is going to be very interesting. Did you know that insects have been on Earth for about 350 million years? To put that in perspective, we'll note that humans have only been here for 13,000 years. Fact number 4. Did you know that animals are frequent passengers on rocket ships? The first living creature in space was a dog named Laika. Wow, what a lucky dog! Fact number 3. It would only take 1 hour to drive to space if you could go straight up in the air. Fact number 2. About 75% of your brain is made of water. Fact number 1. Our heart beats about 1,15,000 times in a day. We hope you enjoyed our bunch of fun facts. Feel free to share this video with friends and family. Review these cool facts over Zoom and quiz each other, and write in the comments what new words, concepts and ideas you have learned in this video. I'll catch you in the next video. See you later. Bye-bye.